Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the currency within the AndroMoney expense tracking application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the AndroMoney application on your device. And if you have set up a password within the app, type in your password and press the OK button. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into your homepage. Now, if you wish to change your currency, then simply tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on the settings button. Now, once you are inside the settings page, just scroll down until you find the currency section. Go ahead and tap on the choose main currency option. And now this will show you all of the different currencies that you can choose from. Just look for your desired currency, and once you find it, you can tap on it and this will convert your currency into the new main currency that you have just selected, which means that this will apply the current conversion rate based on the currency that you have selected. And once you have chosen your currency from this page, this will now also be used within your budget section, as well as your expense, your cash flow, and your entire account summary. You can go back to the same page if you wish to once again change your currency in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your currency on the AndroMoney expense tracking app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.